Hi! Today we're making silver pin, or rice pin noodles. We're making the noodles from scratch and stir-frying it too. To make the noodles, we'll combine rice flour, tapioca starch, cornstarch, and a pinch of salt. Mix the ingredients and slowly add in boiling hot water. Quickly knead the dough until it is smooth and pliable. Cut the dough into smaller pieces. Roll each piece out into long, thin strand of noodle. Apply extra pressure with pointer finger to break the strand into desired noodle lengths. Roll the ends to form the tapered ends. Repeat until all the dough has been used. Cook the noodles in a pot of boiling water. Once the noodles float, cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove cooked noodles with a slotted spoon and transfer into an ice bath to stop the cooking. Toss with a little bit of oil to prevent sticking. Prepare the stir-fry sauce by combining oyster sauce, thin soy sauce or regular soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, chili oil, and seasoning sauce. Mix well and set that aside. Bring oil to temperature in a wok over medium-high heat. Add the white parts of 2 scallions along with a tablespoon of minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Then add chicken or protein of choice, along with a tablespoon of stir-fry sauce. Cook until no longer pink. Toss in vegetables. Let cook for 30 seconds to a minute. Add the noodles and the remaining sauce. Fry for another minute or so. Finally, add the green parts of the scallions right before turning off the heat. Enjoy! For this full recipe and more, visit crumbs.com.